In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror, flip, and rotate in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know the fastest, most reliable ways to mirror, flip, and rotate either a single layer or your entire canvas without digging through complicated menus. Let's start with flipping, also called mirroring. First, click on your photo or the layer you want to affect in the Layers panel, so it's clearly selected. This is important because only the active layer will change. Now go to the top menu and choose Arrange, then pick Flip Horizontal to mirror left to right or Flip Vertical to flip top to bottom. Flip Horizontal is perfect for correcting a selfie or matching the direction of an element in a layout. Flip Vertical simply turns the content upside down. As soon as you click, the selected item flips instantly. If you want to compare before and after, you can always undo and redo to check the result. Next, let's rotate a photo or layer freely. Select the Move tool, the arrow icon, and click on the image or layer so it's active. Move your mouse just outside any corner handle until you see the curved rotation cursor. Click and drag to rotate in one smooth motion. This is great for small alignment tweaks or creative angles, and you'll see the layer rotate in real time as you drag. If you go too far, don't worry. Undo brings you back instantly. If you need a perfect quarter turn, use an exact 90-degree rotation. Select the image or layer, then go to the document menu at the top and choose Rotate 90-degree clockwise or Rotate 90-degree counterclockwise. This snaps the content to a neat, precise rotation without any guesswork, which is ideal for straightening elements or preparing assets for layout. Sometimes you want to transform everything, not just one piece. That's when you rotate or flip the whole image in Canvas. Head to the document menu again. Choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical to mirror the entire scene at once, or use Rotate 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise to turn the whole image. This is especially useful when your camera orientation was off or when you're preparing artwork for print or presentation. A quick tip before we wrap up. Always verify which layer is selected in the Layers panel before applying a flip or rotation, so you only change what you intend. And remember, undo is your best friend while you experiment. That's it. Fast, clear, and effective ways to mirror, flip, and rotate in Affinity Photo.